Hello, this is Pranavan, and today we will be looking into Eggshells, professional wrestling in the Tokyo Dome. So let's have a look into this right now. And there it is. Eggshells, professional wrestling in the Tokyo Dome. Written by Chris Charlton. Watched it in one of the New Japan Pro Wrestling streams, and Chris Charlton mentioned that he wrote this book. So I just thought to myself, let's have a read through in this book and see how good it is. So I'll just get a close view on the back. Okay. And the front. You can see the Tokyo Dome. Okay. So let's just flick through each page of the book, or we'll just skim read it. Okay. Looks like Vader on the right side. We could skip through the information and just look into the images or the artwork of the book. Ric Flair, Sting. Okay, it's got all the information about the matches that have taken place in the Tokyo Dome. Wow, it's even got... It's got information such as the date, the attendance record, and a lot of detail in it. It's actually very impressive. I think that's Bull Nakano, but wow. Incredibly detailed. I think this is a very good purchase. And I'm only just skim reading through the book. It's very interesting how this book goes from year to year to year, and it's phenomenal how much content is inside this particular book. Like every match that has happened in the Tokyo Dome is all in this book. It's truly outstanding. Brock Lesnar. (2008). 2009, there's Tanahashi. I was gonna make a guess that might have been Prince Devitt, aka Finn Balor, and Kota Ibushi, but I don't want to make this up. I'll just double check it. Yes, it is Prince Devitt and Kota Ibushi, 2011. And it is Tanahashi and just, yeah. Shinsuke Nakamura. And that has to be Tanahashi and Okada. Yeah. Nakamura. Wow, this is Ibushi, Nakamura, and Okada. Oh, they've got AJ Styles in this. AJ Styles, Nakamura, Tanahashi, Okada. Oh, look at this. Naito, Tanahashi, and Kenny Omega. I wonder if 2018 is there. I don't think it will. Be surprised if it is. Oh god, it is. Chris Jericho and Kenny Omega. Wow, they've actually did include it. It's all up to date. Up to date for 2018. And all of the Indiegogo contributors, which have all been mentioned in this book. Unfortunately, I wasn't one of them, but if I had known that there was a campaign for this, I would have supported this book 100%. And possibly I would have gotten the hardcover of the book as well rather than the paperback. But it's still good nonetheless. But yeah, there you have it. This is Eggshells Pro Wrestling in the Tokyo Dome. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the future. Bye.